Good, y'all. Your boy's all dirty from work. It's how I look damn near every day. But yesterday something kind of came up really bad. It's not really that bad, but you guys know I drive really low. My tire is starting to show wire on the inside. So right now I have a little bit of time before work. So I didn't drive the car today. I left it home. I drove my mom's car. Speaking of which, I think it's about time for a daily. But let me see if I can show you guys. You guys can see like right there starting to show wires. So, and it's on both sides too as well. Oh, look at my exhaust. I scraped this thing so much, it's like bad. Yeah, I also gotta go work at my other job, so I'm really like running short on time. And thank God my neighbor Marco, shout out to you, he also makes YouTube videos. He just bought a tire machine, so he's gonna be hooking me up. Shout out to him. My camera's like literally dead, bro. I'm so like dirty. I work like jackhammering like a street, like asphalt, and like, so it's like I get really dirty all the damn time. But that's not the problem. My camera's dead, so I'm going to be skipping the recording. I'm gonna just bust it out real quick because I am pressing for time, and also I am thinking about a new daily. So it's about time I stop bringing the Supra to work, especially with all this dirt and dust. It's like there's no point. So I do need a daily, but right now I'm about to go take care of that and then get ready for work, figure it out, whatever, which way, I'm not too sure. Slowly running out of time, but look at that. It's on both sides too. I don't know, I think I should be good. I'm gonna just flip them. Still got a decent amount of tread left. It's not crazy amount, but I do need new tires very soon. But yeah, I need to at least flip these. So shout out to Marco. I don't know, boys. Maybe it's just time for new tires in general, because I don't know. But I'm going to just flip it so that this side is now on the inside, and we'll call it a day. At least that will stretch me for a little bit. What's good, y'all? So it's literally the next day. I ended up putting the wheels on late night with Marco's help. So shout out to you, Marco. I'm still currently dressed in work clothes. There's supposed to be a meet tonight. I don't think I'm gonna go, but I think Wheezy's going, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and get an alignment before then by him so that it's not in the way of the meet. But I think my toe may be a little messed up or off, so I think I might need to get that fixed. That's why I'm gonna go get it aligned, because I don't really know why it was showing wire like that. It's not like I'm running an excessive amount of camber. So yeah, I'm gonna just get the car aligned. We ended up flipping the tires, so the wire's showing on the outside now. I found a pretty good deal for a set of 4 of the same stock tire setup that I have on right now, so I think I'm gonna cop those. And other than that, it should be smooth. Should be good. Damn, shout out to Red with the M2 pulling up. So I dropped my car off. I don't have my car. It's back at Elder. We're just touching up a few minor things, and I got my boy Rel. I don't know if y'all just seen, he has the M2, but I found a deal on some tires. Like I said, my tires are showing wire, so a whole set for 500. Shout out to you, Harry. You said you watch my videos, so I appreciate you, bro. Shout out to Rel, came with me on the ride. Yo, Harry, you're the best. I didn't want to put a camera in your face just for the video, just because I didn't know. It was our first time linking up, so I didn't really know how he would have been with the camera in your face. But yo, he gave me a great steal. These tires are like brand new. He has a black Supra, so he gave me the set that came stock on the Supra, like what I'm running now. So he gave me that for a good deal. I appreciate you, bro. Hopefully we link up some more. Car's back. Whip is actually charged for once, but what I did was I took off the carbon here and I just had them wrap that to the car, and then on one of the sensors the wrap had to get like basically just heated up and wrapped back to it. But other than that, car is good. My tires are in my dad's truck. You can see I gotta repaint these because when we flipped the wheel, paint kind of got fucked up, so I'm not really too worried about that as stock wheels. But your boy gotta grab the tires off the truck, get this car on stands, and then flip them. So Harry, shout out to him. he had a black Supra, and he literally took these off when he first got it. Like these tires, like they're like damn near brand new. He gave me a good steal for the whole set. I put the fronts away. I just need the rears right now because my fronts are like brand new on my car too. So I'm just gonna need these two to get flipped because I don't know, like I said, see all that wire? Yeah, that was on the inside and I had it flipped so that it's on the outside now because I don't really know what's going on, but I'm gonna see about an alignment soon. It's not like I'm running that much camber, so I gotta figure out what's really going on with it, but it's on both sides, the same areas too. So basically we're just gonna take these off because I need new tires regardless anyways. So we're just gonna take these off, have my neighbor flip these, and call it a day. Probably get an alignment soon, and probably I might just repaint these whole rear wheels. I'm not too sure. Not even gonna hold y'all. I've been slacking a little bit, but I mean, I need to get my car off these jack stands, so let's put these tires on. So I checked my fronts earlier, so I have still a good amount of tread on them. So good tires all around for now, and I have an extra set for the fronts, so I should be good. Right now my car is really dirty, so I'm about to go ahead and wash it. Damn, look at that thing. Like I said, tire problems all set. It was really hot today. I think I'm gonna go clean her now. Plus, give me some chill time, relax, you know, and then I'll probably just get this video up soon. But yeah, it's about time I start thinking about a daily. I've been really thinking about a daily because just for work, it's like to keep bringing this car, you know, it's kind of getting annoying and getting it dirty all the damn time with the dust. But yeah, that was my mom. She just interrupted me a little bit. But like I was saying, it's really time to get a daily, especially for the type of work I'm doing. Not the other job with the cars, but just my main job. It's I need more space, basically. I need a lot more space, and it's a good thing it's summertime right now, so I don't really have to worry about getting a daily so fast. But I also need one for the winter because I don't think I'm gonna drive this car in the winter. It's just if I'm gonna be working and all that, it just makes no sense. I just rather have it like you know, in a tent or something, or a car cover, whatever, whichever one. We'll get there when the time comes, featuring my mom right there. But we'll get there when the time comes, and we'll just see from there. There's still a lot of stuff I want to do to this car. I'm contemplating getting the stud conversion kit. I'm really not too sure though. So it's like, I don't know, but all I know is the hard work's gonna pay off. I promise it's gonna pay off.